Kate's eating cup of noodles and she's making a funny little face and it was making Lila crack up. Okay, Lila, ready? Kate, are you gonna do it again? Come sit in your Kate, come sit in your chair and go. Come sit in your chair and do it again. Ready? Do it. Jacob is so funny. Mommy needs to feed you peas, but you keep on laughing, huh? Brr, brr.